Gonna do a belt replacement on the Raldey. Step one. I'm gonna take these wheels off, and you have your motor pulley, you have your belts, then you have 4 motor screws. Let me go get this. You have your screws 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now my belts, I've worn them out. You can see with the holes, all these holes in here. I've just stretched them. So they're slipping now. This is a good belt, no holes. Those have holes, no good, that'll slip. So I'm gonna install this new belt and make sure it has no rocks. And then this comes off. It's the pulley. So if you wanted to adjust the belt tension, you can release move screws and the motor will slide forward and backwards. So it is adjustable. And then I have the covers. You want to put the motor cover on, you can put the motor cover on. I keep them off though, so don't need them. But yeah, that's how you change the belt on the Raldey. And it is adjustable.